I'm going to tell you what to do when you don't need an alert every time you get notification. Here's how to deliver them quietly. In Notification Center, swipe left on your notification. Now tap on Manage and tap on Deliver quietly. Now the notification from this app won't alert you and they will only show up in the notification center. So if you want to get notification prominently on your lock screen again, so you have to swipe left on your notification again and tap on Manage and tap on Deliver prominently. Now the notification will show up normally on your lock screen and in your notification center. Now that's how you get notified however you want. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video.